So here's Backstage app. It's interesting app where it's like a job discovery app for actors. You can instantly apply for a lot of roles in that space. You can chat with casting directors and producers and find the roles instantly. So here's just a test. I will show you how it might work. And then you should be able to create an account. But you can do it later. And then here you can see all the casting calls. You can see more than 11,000 roles for almost 4,000 productions. So here you can see and staff peak. So here you can see the company. Here you can see estimated payment amount, where it's located, New York. Then you can see roles, and then you can see specifications. So yeah, if you're interested in acting, that's definitely the app you need to try out. You can see your applications, you can see messages, then there is your profile, and then you can also refer friends here. So yep, that's basically how it works. Hope it is helpful.